Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Jet Air Blaster. This thing's really cool. It's kind of like one of the leaf blowers, except for a mini version of it. It comes with a little carrying case, a Type-C charging cable, and this is your little device. Super lightweight, portable. It has a built-in LED light, so if you did need to clean out areas, say you're blowing out your car and you want to get into an area that's a little dark, you can easily use this to be able to see. Now I'm going to bring you in here close so we can look at it, and then we're going to get some of these acorn shells, see how powerful it is to be able to move these shells out of the way, be able to easily pick this up over a giant leaf blower, or even if you wanted to use it to clean out your keyboard in your office. It can go to 130,000 RPMs. So let's check this thing out. So here it is up close. It does have your LED light. It is right down here at the bottom. You've got your flashing light as well. It's different modes on there. There's your charging port. And then on the top, you've got your little vent back here with your fan. So then whenever you want to turn it on, you've got your power right there. You turn that on and your 3 lights up. And that is at your most powerful speed. And then you can just slowly move that down from there. All right, so you can see these acorns here. So now I'm just going to turn this on. And that is moving these things with ease. So much easier than getting out a giant leaf blower if you just have some things to clean up real quick. I mean, I'm impressed with how well this thing is working. You can easily use it, and whenever you're done, I mean, put it in your pocket because it is so small, it just fits right there in your pocket, and then you can carry other things around, put it in the carrying case, and have it ready for next time. It's a nice, lightweight jet blower.